Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I purchased for the $5 home decor Goodwill challenge. This challenge is hosted every season by Hillary over at Old World Home. The idea of the challenge is to spend $5 or less at a secondhand store for some seasonal home decor items. I will also have the playlist linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out and see what everyone else got for the challenge. So I'm just going to take you around a little bit while I'm shopping for the challenge, and at the end of the video I will show you what I purchased and how I used the decor items in my home. So I'm not really into decorating for Easter, but I did want to bring some really soft shades of green, which remind me of spring, into my home. So let me show you what I got. So the first item that I found was in one of the bins at Goodwill, and it was a table runner. It was only $1.69. It's 100% linen, and it's made by the Fieldcrest Luxury Company. It was a little bit too long for what I wanted to use it for, so I did cut off about a foot of the fabric in the middle and I sewed it back together. And I'm using it on top of this cedar trunk that I have under a window. I did have another table runner here, but I liked the color of this one a lot better. There is a seam down the middle, but it doesn't really bother me because the salt lamp here covers it up and you can't even tell that it's there. The next thing I found was a set of table napkins, and these were only 59 cents each. And they had this really fun retro looking pattern on them, and it looks like there's some herbs and some onions. So I thought these would be an interesting item to try to work into my decor. So I have this ladder shelf in my dining room area, and I switch out the decor on this pretty regularly. So I thought it would be kind of fun to incorporate the napkins somewhere on the ladder shelf. So here is just a quick scan of what is currently on my shelves. So what I did is I took the napkins and I kind of folded them up and put them inside of a mason jar so they would stand upright. So I have it just sitting here on the white platter to kind of contrast the dark wood of the shelf. So then I just took some pig statues that I had in another room, and then I added those into the display as well. So that is everything that I found for the Spring 2019 $5 Goodwill Challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I did come in under budget at $4.05 before tax. If you like thrifting videos like this, definitely check out my Project Thrift 52 playlist. I will have it linked in the description box down below.